Hey crafters, Leo with Dreaming Tree, and I'm excited to introduce our Easy Peasy Favors SVG bundle, a collection of 5 beautifully designed favor boxes that are perfect for all your upcoming warm weather celebrations. Whether you've got a birthday, bridal shower, wedding, or just want to surprise someone with a sweet handmade gift, this bundle has you covered. When we started designing this bundle, we had one goal in mind, and that is to make it simple but make it beautiful. With warmer days ahead and so many reasons to gather, we know you're always looking for quick, creative ways to add a personal touch to your gifts. These favor boxes aren't just for events, they're also great for spreading a little kindness to friends, neighbors, teachers, or coworkers. We also wanted to make sure these designs were mass production friendly, so you can create a whole table's worth without spending hours on each one. The Teapot, Cherish and Charm, and the Sweet Moments favor boxes were designed with efficiency in mind. They're quick to cut, easy to assemble, and still full of personality. If you've got a long guest list or are crafting in batches, these are going to be your go-to designs. Now, if you're looking for a little extra flair, the Butterfly favor box and the Ever After favor box offer just the right amount of detail without being overwhelming. They're still simple to put together, but bring in that added wow factor. Great for when you want to make an impression without a lot of fuss. No matter which design you choose, the Easy Peasy Favors SVG bundle is all about making gift giving feel thoughtful and effortless. Pick your papers, personalize your colors, and let your cutting machine do the hard work. And as a little extra, we've also included bonus print then cut captions to make your crafting even easier. Whether you're giving thanks, celebrating love, or just sending a sweet message, these ready-to-use sentiments are designed to coordinate beautifully with each favor box. Just print, cut, and pop them on for an extra personal touch. We can't wait to see how you make these designs your own.